In this episode, we let Chagos behind us and we look forward to Seychelles. Hello, this is Carlos and I am Linda. We are living in our floating house near Oken. Welcome in our YouTube channel 22 South, where we invite you in our dream for a cycle navigation. Hello! So, this is the last day. We actually arrived to Seychelles in a few hours. You hear the motor because we are a bit slow and we need to arrive before the night, and we're just in time. So what's happening here?
And because it's 11 knots of wind and it's 7 apparent, so we cannot sail with that amount of wind. And what happened is land! We can see land!
So we made an overnight steering, so much pain in our neck here, but we are so happy that to arrive. But we are not there yet.
No,
we
we're
still
not there.
have
24.3 nautical miles to go. Ready for baguettes, pain chocolat, normal food.
normal food for European. That's it! We made it! We are here in the anchorage in the Seychelles.
Yeah, that's correct. We have made it to Seychelles. I don't know how. Had to steer for the last 400 nautical miles. And the ocean was crazy. We hove to, we steer, we hove to, we steer. Very, very tough.
As always in an arrival, I'm very excited and I like to clean and organize straight away. Hello everybody! So it's the first day in Seychelles. We are almost fresh because we slept a normal night, but actually we feel like more tired than yesterday, but it's alright. And we are just waiting for the official, and after we go to the Marina. Finally, luck turned in our way and we find our friend from the YouTube channel Out Chasing Star and meet new one from China Dream.
Hello, slow flight. We'll talk later.
Let's go for the first shopping.
Shipping things internationally to Seychelles was not an easy task, but thanks to Brooke, my electrician in Australia, we got an autopilot pump 2 weeks later.
So what I had to change is the autopilot pump. This is an hydraulic system, and this is what we had to buy and send from Australia because it was not in Seychelles, it was not anywhere. So it was actually a quick fix because I just have to change the hydraulic lines. Yeah, we had to upgrade as well the pump, and in the future when we take the boat out of the water, we'll need to find out why a new pump has burnt out in such a short time.
In this special moment, the Marina was too expensive for our budget, so after the bridge we find a good place to anchor.
Very special thanks to Peter Mullins from Water Sprite and Robert Glens from the US, because thanks to their extra contribution we've been able to buy this autopilot. So before going in such a long trip to Madagascar, we want to try the autopilot that works perfectly, and we are gonna do a little trip into the North Islands of Seychelles. we are in Victoria and we are gonna go to here for the first night. Then we will go to La Digue and back. And by the way, if you want to subscribe to our super channel and support our super production, please follow the link below.
So in La Digue it was a nice place where we can rent bicycles, and we walk on the beach and we saw some big turtles. But we did few snorkels, and in this touristic place it was not that nice. The coral was damaged.
Seychelles is a beautiful place, but it was a little bit out of our budget. You have to pay many fees. You pay per day, you pay for the customs and immigration to come on board, there is no other way, and you pay for visiting many of the anchorages. We spent 30 days in Seychelles, in between waiting the autopilot, installing it and testing it, and at the end we had no choice but to leave as soon as we were ready.
After 2 weeks waiting for the best weather window possible, we leave Seychelles on an early morning with our destination Nosy Be in Madagascar.
Thank you very much to watch this video, and we see you next week.
See you next week. Something strange.
Like what?
I don't know.
Allez.
My hair is crazy. What is this?
But it's good if it's crazy, darling.
More than ever, your support is crucial. Crucial?